In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a Telegram group. So I have here a group that I would like to delete. Now, the first thing you need to know, you can permanently delete a Telegram group if you are the creator or the owner of the group. Otherwise, if you are just a member of the group, but you are not the owner of the group, you can only exit the group. So if you own the group and you want to permanently delete it, the first thing you need to do is to tap on the group. So once you are here, tap on these three icons. And then you'll see an option called delete and leave group. So if you delete it, you'll also have to exit the group. So I'll go ahead and tap on it. And then I'll confirm that I want to delete the group for all members. So if you do so, you have to note that all the members will no longer be able to access the group. So I'll go ahead and confirm and then tap on delete group. And from here, the deletion process has begun and it is done. And now you can see the Telegram group no longer appears on my profile. So that's how you delete a Telegram group with ease. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.